Lost iPhone data? I tested iBackup Viewer for recovering messages, photos, and contacts from backups. It works on both Windows and Mac, supporting regular and encrypted iTunes backups, with export options like PDF and CSV. The free version has limitations. Part 1. Introduction of iBackup Viewer. 1. Main features of iBackup Viewer. iBackup Viewer extracts data from iTunes backups, including contacts and photos, for recovery or transfer to a new iPhone, with support for external drives. 2. Pros and cons of iBackup Viewer. Pros. Detects iOS backups, easy-to-use interface, available for Windows and Mac, supports all iTunes backups, free version. Cons: no iCloud support, paid version needed for encrypted backups, may miss some data. No backup function, pricey full version. 3. Is iBackup Viewer safe to use? iBackup Viewer is safe, processing data locally without cloud risks. It supports encrypted backups and is regularly updated. Download from trusted sources. Part 2. How to use iBackup Viewer to extract files from iPhone backups. To extract data with iBackup Viewer, install iBackup Viewer and connect your iPhone. If backups don't load, click the folder icon to import. Choose the data type, for example, contacts. Export or transfer the data to Contacts apps. Part 3. Best iBackup Viewer alternative. Since iBackup Viewer doesn't support iCloud and may not extract all data, consider Mobican Doctor for iOS as the top alternative for restoring data, including from iCloud backups. 1. Recover lost data from iPhone. Step 1. If you've lost important files and lack a backup, download and install this iBackup Viewer alternative. Connect your iPhone, open the software, and select Recover from iOS device to start. Step 2. Once your device is detected, the main interface will show various types of data you can recover. Choose the file types you want. For example, tap on Contacts if you're looking to recover lost contacts, and click Start Scan to search your device. Step 3. After the scan finishes, review and select the data you wish to restore. Click Recover to Computer at the bottom right. Choose a folder on your computer and let the software begin the recovery process. 2. Recover from iTunes backup. Step 1. If you've previously backed up your iPhone with iTunes, open the program and select Recover from iTunes backup file from the left side. Step 2. Choose the iTunes backup you want to use, then click Start Scan. The program will scan the backup and display the available files. Browse through them and select what you want to restore. Step 3. Click Recover to Computer to begin extracting the files. If your backup is encrypted, you'll be prompted to enter the password to unlock it. 3. Restore from iCloud backup. Step 1. If your data is saved in iCloud and you can't access your device, select Recover from iCloud from the main screen. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Step 2. Choose the type of data you want to recover and click Start Scan. The program will scan your iCloud account and show all available backup files. Step 3. Browse the list, select the files you need, and click Recover to Computer to download them to your computer.